Have you ever wondered why some people seem to unlock wealth so effortlessly, while others struggle their entire lives, no matter how hard they work? The truth is, wealthy people think and act differently. They know secrets that most of us were never taught. These hidden strategies aren't just about making more money, they're about creating a system that builds and protects wealth over time. In this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful secrets that wealthy people live by. These are actionable insights that can transform your mindset, your habits, and ultimately your financial future. After years of studying the habits of successful individuals, I've identified exactly what sets them apart. And today, I'm going to share those secrets with you. Most people spend their entire lives working hard, hoping to achieve financial freedom someday. But despite their best efforts, they feel stuck living paycheck to paycheck with little to no progress toward their goals. Does this sound familiar? You wake up every day, go to work, pay your bills, and maybe save a little if you're lucky. But somehow, it feels like you're running on a treadmill that's going nowhere. Here's the thing, it's not your fault. Most of us were never taught how to truly build wealth. We grow up learning to work hard, but we're never shown the strategies that turn effort into results. Take Sarah, for example, a friend of mine who was making a great salary but still couldn't seem to save or invest. She was stuck in the cycle of emotional spending and chasing short-term gratification. It wasn't until she shifted her mindset and adopted the same strategies wealthy people use that she finally began to see progress. The truth is, the rich play by a different set of rules that anyone can learn and apply. These strategies aren't just for the ultra-wealthy. They're accessible to anyone willing to make small but consistent changes. In the next part of this video, I'll give you a clear roadmap to start thinking and acting like the wealthy. Let's explore these 10 secrets that no one talks about. So, how exactly do wealthy people build and protect their wealth? It all starts with understanding the principles that guide their decisions. In this video, we'll uncover 10 secrets that range from adopting an abundance mindset to optimizing taxes and creating multiple streams of income. These aren't just theoretical ideas, they're actionable steps that can help you transform your financial habits starting today. Now, let's dive into the first secret and see how shifting your mindset can completely change your approach to money. Abundance mindset. One of the biggest secrets of the wealthy is their abundance mindset. They believe there's enough wealth and opportunity for everyone. This mindset drives them to seek possibilities instead of focusing on limitations. For example, instead of saying, "I can't afford this," they ask, "How can I afford this?" This simple shift opens the door to creativity and resourcefulness. You can start building an abundance mindset by writing down one opportunity every day that could improve your financial situation. Over time, you'll train your mind to see possibilities instead of obstacles. Wealth starts in the mind, and adopting this perspective is the first step toward financial success. Paying themselves first. Wealthy people have a golden rule: they pay themselves first. Before they spend a single dollar, they set aside a portion of their income for savings and investments. Think about this: if you save just 20% of your income consistently, you'll create a financial cushion that grows over time. For example, saving $500 a month and investing it at an 8% return can grow to over $1 million in 30 years. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. This small habit can make a huge difference in your financial future. The value of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Here's how it works. If you invest $100 a month at an 8% annual return, in 30 years, you'll have over $150,000. The key is starting early and being consistent. Even if you can only save a small amount today, start now. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to building wealth. Multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky, and wealthy people know this. That's why they diversify by creating multiple streams of income. For example, they might combine earnings from a job, real estate investments, and side businesses. This diversification not only increases their income, but also provides security if one stream dries up. Identify one additional income stream you can develop this year, whether it's a freelance gig, a rental property, or selling a product online. More income sources mean more opportunities to build wealth. Networking for growth. Wealthy people understand that relationships are assets. They actively build and nurture their networks, knowing that the right connection can open doors to incredible opportunities. Imagine meeting someone who gives you an investment tip or a business partnership idea that transforms your financial future. Start by attending one networking event or reaching out to someone you admire. Expanding your network expands your possibilities. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. As income grows, the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle can be overwhelming. Wealthy people resist this urge and live below their means. For instance, instead of buying a bigger house or a luxury car after a raise, they invest the extra income. This decision allows their money to grow instead of being spent on fleeting comforts. Set a fixed lifestyle budget and stick to it. This simple practice can free up thousands of dollars for investments and long-term goals. Tax optimization. Taxes can be one of your biggest expenses, but wealthy people use strategies to legally minimize their tax burdens. For example, contributing to a retirement account like a 401k not only saves for the future, but also reduces taxable income today. Consult a tax advisor to uncover strategies you can use. Every dollar saved on taxes is a dollar you can reinvest in building your wealth. The power of long-term thinking. Wealthy people prioritize long-term planning over short-term gratification. They make decisions today that will pay off years down the line. Take real estate, for example. Buying a property may require upfront sacrifices, but over time, it can generate consistent cash flow and appreciate in value. Define your long-term financial goals today and use them to guide your decisions. Long-term thinking creates sustainable wealth. Healthy living for longevity. Your health is your most valuable asset. Wealthy people understand this and prioritize physical and mental well-being. A healthy lifestyle reduces medical expenses and increases your ability to focus and perform at your best. Incorporate 30 minutes of daily exercise, prioritize sleep, and adopt a balanced diet. A healthier you means a wealthier future. The habit of giving back is a common habit among the wealthy. Whether it's donating money or volunteering time, they understand that generosity reinforces an abundance mindset. Contributing to causes you care about not only makes a difference, but also connects you with like-minded individuals who share your values. Choose one because you're passionate about and find a way to give back. Generosity has a way of coming full circle. We've covered a lot of ground today, and by now, you can see that building wealth isn't about luck or secret formulas. It's about adopting the right mindset, forming consistent habits, and making intentional decisions. The difference between those who succeed financially and those who don't is simple: action. Every one of the secrets we've discussed today can transform your financial future, but only if you start applying them. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Pick just one habit from this list that resonates with you and commit to it. Over time, these small steps will add up to big results. Think about where you want to be 5, 10, or 20 years from now. Every decision you make today is a step toward that future. The journey might not be easy, but it will absolutely be worth it. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, I want to hear from you. Which of these secrets resonated with you the most? Comment below and let me know the first habit you're going to start applying today. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. It's a simple way to let me know you're ready for more content like this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll gain access to even more tips, strategies, and insights to help you master your money and build the wealth you deserve. Together, we'll keep moving forward on this journey to financial freedom. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's about creating a life of freedom, purpose, and possibilities. Every great journey begins with a single step, and today, you've taken an important one by learning the secrets that wealthy people live by. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making consistent progress. The decisions you make today will shape the future you'll live tomorrow. So take action, stay committed, and believe in your ability to create the life you deserve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep pushing forward. Your financial freedom is closer than you think.